Good evening, my name is Leoric Silverbloom, and I'll be your host for tonight. For those who doesn't know, Minute History is a short video where I basically ramble about anything historical, vegetables and minerals, basically whatever the hell I want. In this video, we'll talk about the German battleship Tirpitz, the almost indestructible. Well, it's not gonna be in depth, and I will only talk about the interesting stuff, so if you want to know more, you can do your own research about it. Now, without further ado, let's sink in deeper into this topic. Get it? Sink, because it's...
How do you expect to ever, have a career doing this?
What is going on with you? What are you talking about? You sound insane.
An interview.
Just beautiful.
German battleship Tirpitz, the sister ship of Bismarck. If you don't know what Bismarck is, well, we have a video about that. Okay, so let's get started and skip most of the boring stuff so we can get to the exciting part faster. Right, it's launched in 1942 and immediately transferred north to Norway to disrupt Britain's supply shipment to the Soviet Union. Also, Norway at this point is occupied by Nazi Germany. Since the British cannot risk their supply lines, Winston Churchill ordered a bombardment on the Tirpitz almost immediately. And somehow, during the first bombardment, they cannot score any hit at all, not a single one. After that, the Tirpitz and the 3 destroyers was ordered to attack 2 convoys on the North Sea. But the fucking Brits knew that they're about to attack the convoy, so nearby British fleet dispatched 12 torpedo bombers to bomb them. This massive hunk of steel somehow, someway, managed to dodge all 12 of those torpedoes fired simultaneously. Like, what the fuck? How? I cannot even... Well, I've seen the video, but yeah. After that, the Tirpitz returned to the dock in Norway, and then the Brits dispatched 3 more continuous bombing runs on the ship, only scoring 1 insignificant damage. That's 5-0 already. What are you, Arsenal? So after that, they moved Tirpitz further north to get him out of the range of British heavy bombardments. But we're not done. 2 British midget submarines managed to infiltrate and place some mines underneath the Tirpitz. Well, it exploded and the operation is a success, and it did some damage, but mostly repairable. Right, the Brits is really hellbent on destroying this one ship, because after that, they sent another fleet of 6 carriers to bomb the Tirpitz. 169 aircraft was launched to attack it that day. Well, the target was rendered a burning mass, and the Brits thought they managed to finally destroy the Tirpitz. Yeah, look at this photo over here, it sure looks like a burning mess, but no, the damage still wasn't enough to sink the fucking Tirpitz. After that, they attempted another run to destroy the Tirpitz again, but at this point, I think the Brits themselves lost count of the score. They launched a sustained attack on the ship like non-stop. They're fucking desperate like that, I know. The bloody ship just refused to sink. Bloody Germans and their craftsmanship, I tell you. Fucking hell. Yeah, they failed. They failed to sink the ship. Well, if that doesn't work, then bring in some bigger bombs. The tall boy. Haha. Also known as the earthquake bomb because, well, the detonation can cause small earthquake basically. Well, they launched an attack with this bomb. 1 hit, and it blew a hole big enough on his hull to sail a small ship through. Like, it should be enough to destroy and sink any ship, but not the Tirpitz. Well, the engine is damaged, so the Tirpitz at this point is just a glorified floating gun battery. Well, the Brits didn't know when to bloody quit because they ordered another attack just to make sure. This time with 39 bombers carrying the tall boy. They all narrowly missed, so they sent 29 more bombs to nuke the ship basically. Like, what the fuck? So yeah, 1 hit, and the Tirpitz flooded uncontrollably and was slowly sinking. At this point, it's slowly sinking. And you know what? What's the crazy part is, it should be fine. Because if it's sinking, it can rest safely on the seabed and it can still be repaired, except for one reason. Who knew that a shitload of so-called earthquake boom can create a massive crater on the seabed? Yeah! Instead of resting gently, the Tirpitz rolled over and sank. Finally. I can show you the photo when it's sinking here. Let me put it here. Look at it. It finally sank after like countless attacks and numerous bombs. Fucking Brits, man. I told you they don't know where to quit. Fucking hell. And there you go. Finally, we're back to our roots. Military history. I hope you liked the video because it's just me rambling about some topic that I like. So yeah, if you want more in-depth explanation, just tell me in the comments and maybe I'll make a video out of it. And that's all for now. Good night.